We announced a partnership under which we'll be developing client-side virtualization technology based on the Xen hypervisor in a project called Independence. And the project aims to enable a whole new set of use cases for rich client execution with all of the benefits of centralized management and delivery of executables, desktop workloads, applications to end users to leverage client-side virtualization. So it enables a broad set of rich mobile, offline use cases in which enterprises can deliver their users, their contractors and even home employees trusted corporate workloads in a secure fashion that they could never do before.
And it's definitely catering to unmet user needs. Today's solutions are either server-based, where you have central execution and central management, or local-based execution, where you have the burden of local management.
So what this does is it ties the best of two worlds, one which is centralized management and delivery of the workload or the application to the end user, with rich client execution, where you can guarantee the fidelity and the trust and the security of that workload, even in the case where you don't trust other components of the local system. Now the Type 1 hypervisor, in our case here built on the open source Xen hypervisor, gives us the ability to own the hardware, to provide a very thin layer of high performance virtualization that leverages all of the capabilities of the Intel platform to deliver a trusted, attested stack for which the client is then able to deliver security to enterprise workloads delivered locally. And on the server side, we are delivering image management components which allow us to create centrally the image that we run on a laptop or a desktop machine, stream it out to that machine where it can run as a virtual machine and be continually updated through it.
So the whole solution is based on Xen. Xen is this industry effort, and it's widely known that Intel is a larger contributor to Xen over the years. And VT is a key element of that solution. Xen is built on VT, so the Intel virtualization technology is actually a base of the whole solution here. In terms of security, the solution is leveraging the Intel Trusted Execution technology to allow for the secure deployment of these local images. And also in terms of management, the solution is leveraging Intel AMT, our management technology. So it's a quite a large portfolio of Intel technologies here that are being leveraged by Project Independence.
And for rich execution, what you're really saying is there's going to be some graphically intensive or media intensive workloads too. And in order to be able to safely virtualize those kind of applications, you need to be able to assign devices directly to certain guest operating systems. From the software perspective, in order to be able to deliver any of these benefits, you need a hardware platform that has the juice. And the Intel vPro and Citrix platforms stand aside as having uniquely all the properties for security, acceleration, streaming, and manageability that we need to enable to realize this vision. Second, Intel has been the major contributor to the Xen hypervisor in terms of delivering many of these additional enhancements that the server-side hypervisor needed to be able to appropriately address client-side opportunities. But there's a tremendous opportunity for the industry as a whole here. And the spirit of the partnership that we've always enjoyed with Intel has been one where we believe in fast, free, ubiquitous virtualization capabilities on every device, and then a rich ecosystem of value-added solutions around it. And Independence is no different than that. We're leveraging the Xen hypervisor as we always have in our work with Intel. And so what we want to do is leverage Independence in this relationship with Intel, not only to build a powerful set of solutions for Intel's OEMs, but also to free the industry up. And that is really where the Independence name comes from. Free the industry up from the notion of a proprietary closed source, inaccessible hypervisor technology to one where people can go to work to figure out how virtualization can be used to deliver new potent value propositions on the Intel platform.